Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand about the most effective technique of time management, which is Pomodoro technique. Basically, the concept of Pomodoro technique was given by Francesco Cirillo in late 1980s. The word Pomodoro is a Latin word which means tomato. This word Pomodoro was given in this concept because of the tomato shaped alarm clock which was used by Francesco in his school days. So, how this Pomodoro technique works? Basically, we have to take a 2-hour slot for doing our work or for studying. In that 2-hour slot, we have to divide into 4 Pomodoros, or you can say 4 quarters. Each Pomodoros will be of 25 minutes. In between 2 Pomodoros, it will be a 5-minute break. Completing of 4 Pomodoros, we can take a 2-hour long break. So, how we can use this Pomodoro technique to improve our productivity and focus on a given task? Basically, we have to divide our task into 5 steps. The first step will be define the objectives of the task. The second step will be set the appropriate timer. So we have to set the timer of every 25 minutes interval. The third and most important step will be focus. So we have to focus during that 25 minutes period and not on other distractions. If any sort of distractions is coming in mind, it is suggested to note down it on a paper or keep it on a reminder book. The fourth step will be take breaks. So after every 25 minutes of Pomodoros, we have to take a break of 5 minutes. And the last step will be repeat. So how we have to repeat this? We have to repeat this by taking a 2-hour long break by completing the 4 Pomodoros cycle. By using this regularly and practicing it consistently, we can achieve a very high productivity and efficiency in our day-to-day tasks and activities. This Pomodoro technique can be a very effective method for students and also working professionals.